Greetings, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of planning a trip, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're unlocking the art of crafting a flawless travel itinerary, your roadmap to an unforgettable journey. Whether you're a meticulous planner or a spontaneous wanderer, these tips will help you design an itinerary that's as unique as your travel dreams. So, grab your pen and notebook, because it's time to dive into how to create a travel itinerary. 1. Choose your destination. The first step in creating an itinerary is choosing your destination. Consider your interests, budget, and the type of experience you're seeking. From bustling cities to tranquil landscapes, the world is your oyster. 2. Research your destination. Knowledge is power. Dive into research to uncover the must-see attractions, local culture, and unique experiences your destination has to offer. Guidebooks, travel blogs, and online resources are your best friends. 3. Prioritize activities. Now comes the fun part, prioritizing activities. List down the attractions, landmarks, and experiences you simply can't miss. Keep in mind factors like opening hours and ticket prices. 4. Create a daily schedule. It's time to map it all out. Create a daily schedule that outlines your activities, starting from morning to evening. Be realistic about the time each activity will take and allow for breaks. 5. Flexibility is key. While a schedule is essential, leave room for flexibility. Unexpected opportunities and local recommendations may arise, so don't overschedule every minute. 6. Transportation planning. Let's talk about transportation. Plan how you'll get from point A to point B, whether it's by public transit, walking, or using ride-sharing apps. Efficient transportation ensures you make the most of your time. 7. Dining options. Don't forget to include dining options. Research local restaurants, cafes, and street food stalls to add delicious moments to your itinerary. 8. Budgeting. Budgeting is crucial. Estimate costs for transportation, accommodations, activities, and meals. Keep track of expenses to ensure you stay within your budget. And there you have it, your guide to creating a travel itinerary that promises a seamless and unforgettable adventure. Whether you're a meticulous planner or prefer spontaneity, a well-crafted itinerary adds structure to your journey. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel insights and inspiration. Until next time, happy planning. Thank you.